Dear viewers, welcome to my channel Mahmood BCS Academy. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Let's get to started. Honesty is dash sweet, much too much, excessive, very. Answer B. Very sweet. Question number 2. An ignorant person has prejudice dash new ideas against to for of. Answer A. Against new ideas. Question number 3. The intellectual cannot lead dash the margin of society before beyond against insight. Answer B. Beyond. Question number 4. The parents should have authority dash their sons and daughters on, of, over, to. Answer C. Over. Question number 5. You should be repentant dash your misdeeds for one, of, two. Answer A. For. Question number 6. I am fatigued dash with traveling for, in, by, with. Answer A. For. Question number 7. The customer gets what he pays by, with, of, for. Answer for. Question number 8. A modest man doesn't boast dash his merit on, of, for, with. Answer of his merit. Question number 9. The climate is congenial dash health with, for, to, one. Answer to health. Question number 10. It's impolite to break dash when someone else in talking in, one, into, of. Answer in. Question number 11. A beggar begs from dash door to door. A and D. No article. Answer no article. Question 12. He is the best boy in the class. A and D. No articles. Answer D. Best boy in the class. Question 13. Dash National Zoo is situated at Mirpur. A and D. No article. Answer D. Question number 14. He described the event in dash nutshell. A and the no article. Answer A. Nutshell. Question number 15. Criminals are of dash characters. A and the no articles. Answer A. Question number 16. He earns dash lot of money. A and the no article. Answer A. Lot of money. Question number 17. Mary dash and was rushing to the hall. A and the no article. Answer an ant was rushing to the hall. Question number 18. Dash man is with dress in around to me. A and the no article. The man in white dress in noun to me. Question number 19. Dash perfume of Saudi Arabia is famous. A and the no article. The. Question number 20. We write on dash paper, a paper, and paper, the paper, no article. Answer no article. Question number 21. I heard the little boy cry, crying, cried, is crying. Answer crying. Question number 22. It is high time we our attitude have to change, should change, changed, change. Answer C. Changed our attitude. Question number 23. ফুল শব্দটির ভার্ব হচ্ছে ফাউল, ফুল, বিফর, ফুলিশ. Answer B. Full. Question number 24. It is many years since I dash you shall met, meeting, can met, met. Answer D. Met. Question number 25. I cannot help dash the race to go, going, went, have gone. Answer going the rats. B. Question 26. Hardly had he entered the room, then electricity dash went off, went away, went out. Answer A. Went off. Question number 27. He dashed home last Monday. Here had left, has left, has left. Answer C. Left home last Monday. Question number 28. He has come here with a view to dash with me. Negotiating, negotiating. Answer A. Question 29. Which word is both a noun and a verb? Advice, believe, maker, water. Question number 30. I do not mind dash a cup of tea. To taking, to take, for taking. Answer taking a cup of tea. Question number 31. I wish today dash Friday is where, what, will be. Answer where Friday. B. Question 32. At last one of the students dash full marks. Get, have got, gets, are getting. Answer C. Gets. 33. 3/4 of the work dash finished. Has been, have been, had, where. Answer A. Has been. Question 34. The machinery dash working well. Are, where, is, should. Answer C. Is working well. Question 35. He kept one dash as he passed. To sing, to have sung, singing. Answer for these questions B. Singing. Question 36. Synonym of notable dash nobility, prominent, nation, ordinary. Answer prominent. Question for 37. Synonym of candid is devious, artful, cordial, frank. Answer C. Cordial. Question 38. What is the synonym of the word redemption, forbidden, assumption, salvation, award? Answer C. Salvation. Question 39. Magnanimous means revengeful, unkind, generous, friendly. Answer C. Generous. Question 40. A synonym for resentment age, fear, anger, indignation, panic. Answer C. Indignation. Question 41. Pass away means disappear, die, cries, fall. Answer B. Die. Question number 42. Take into account means think seriously, count numbers, assess, consider. Answer B. Consider. Question number 43. Put up with a means tolerate, stay together, keep trust, protect. Answer A. Tolerate. Question number 44. To raise one's brows indicates approval, annoyance, surprise, indifference. Answer C. Surprise. Question number 45. The bad news struck him with a bolt from the dash below, a sky, firmament, heavens. Answer A. Blue. Question number 46. The horror movies scared them out of their lives, sets, wits, funds. Answer C. Wits. Question number 47. To keep one's head means to keep calm, to save oneself, do some things, to be self-respectful. Answer A. To keep calm. Question 48. While living in poverty, the poet had to dash great deal of sufferings. Answer C. Put up with great deal of sufferings. Question number 49. To end in a smoke means to come know nothing, to create fire, to see fire, to go through. Answer A. To come to nothing. Question 50. Only those who are not serious to their success work by dash and starts against long odds, fits. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you don't subscribe the channel yet, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get next video. Please like, comment and share this video.